Okay, so today I'm gonna be installing this brake controller because mine is a 2015 Toyota Tundra and it doesn't have the brake controller, and I need it because I'm towing that trailer over there. I don't know if you guys can see that one. It's a double axle trailer. The truck handles the weight and the when I'm braking, but I still feel a little pushing. So to be in the safe side, we need to go ahead and use this trailer brake output. And I ordered all these on Amazon, so I can replace this whole little shell right there with the buttons. And this looks like original. So I'll leave the link down below in my video on where to get these parts. This is where I got it. Well, it's part of the came in the box. It's a little pricey. It's 300, 312, 313. But it will keep original. Now it says for 2016 and up. Now I don't know if it worked on the 2015. We'll see. If it not, just send it back, I guess. Usually it's already pre-wired in here, so we're gonna remove this real quick and see what it does. Okay. All right, with this small screwdriver, guys, just push screwdriver there and just bring it out the top, and you see it coming loose. It's got these clips, and now the top, you have to reach in here somehow and pull these down. See that? So it's coming out. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but there he goes. It's out. So this is the moment of truth. I need 3 hands now, guys. I need 3 hands. There he goes. So there he goes. You can see the switch is right there. See? I think it does fit. We'll see in a little bit. And it's also got another one here. This one, I don't know what that's for. You want to pop these little clips off. This looks like it's pretty easy. And we'll come back. Okay, so I got it out, and I found out they have these little switches here. Have this right here. It's a little tiny clip right there. Not here. It's right at the very tip right there. Just push it. This little thing. Just push it. Right here. I can push it with my fingernail, and it will come off. But I need another hand to hold it. Anyway, there you go. This little clip. See? Right there. Anyway, that's it. So I'm gonna replace that. As is. Looks the same to me. We're gonna pop this really easy. Little 2 clips on each end. Right there 1. Right here 2. You push them. Push it in. That's it. Push the other one. Watch. Right there. Right there. Squeeze them together. You can see it going down. And apparently this clip's already here, so let's see. Alright, so let's put this back on there. And I unplug both at the same time, guys, but one is smaller, one is big. So it's no confusion. This is the big one. No, that's this is the small one, see, this is the big one. So toe hole goes, this is the that's the one we got off. This is the new one. So let's put toe hole over there. One. This thing seems like they fit perfect. There it goes. This one's just blank. There you go. Now we gotta put this box in here. Let's see if I can do it. I don't see no screws or nothing. It shows right here, so I don't know. Look like I wanna need some screws, but I don't have anything. Yeah, and we're gonna need some screws, because I show screws there, where, and here, one there, and one over here. Just two. Well, maybe not. These little things look like they're stuck in there. Spikes here and here. Look like that's where they go. Okay, that's where they go. That's what it needs. Okay. Let me get in here and put it back in there. Let me put this box here first. Alright guys, so just to make sure that this already is in here, guys, on this 2015. It says it's on the Amazon that it's only available, these things is available for 2016 and up, but it works on a 2015. This plug works perfect. Okay, this is a 2015 SR5. There it goes. Let me push it in. There you go. You guys heard it. It's in there now. This one, I don't know what is this for. This is for the other two, the small one and the big one. So let's see if I can put this box in here right now. It's all in my way. Shoes. I need like a flashlight. A flashlight, man. Yeah, it goes into these holes. Those two spikes goes there. I wish, let me see. It's afternoon here and I can't really show you that well. But there it is, there's the spikes. Here you just set it up there. You gotta find your way in there. There you go, says here. Alright, let me plug this in there. And which way it goes? It goes like that. They're upside down. I gotta turn it the other way. Alright guys, so I got it in there. It was fine. I just had it upside down. I had it like that. So it's just like that. Alright, so it's time to plug this in here. I'm trying to show you guys. This is the small one, so that's gonna go there. Alright. You heard it click. This is the other one. It's hard with one hand. There it goes. This one I have no idea, but we'll see what's gonna happen. We'll see if it works. I hope it does. There we go, it's in there. Let's push this up. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now it looks original. Now you don't have to have an aftermarket trailer, a brake controller in here. Usually an aftermarket you have to screws in here and put it in there. Now this one is a little expensive, but it looks original. Look at that. It looks nice, guys. It works. Well, let me turn it on. See what this does. And close the door. Let me see if it detects a trailer box. Okay guys, look at that. Trailer brake is detected, is on there. It's got gain 5 type electric manual. Hope you guys can see it. There it goes. It was not there, but it just recognized it, that there's a trailer brake box in here. Isn't that great, man? Huh? That is nice. So it does work, guys. On this 2015, this trailer brake output, it does work on the 2015. It sells on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link down below in this video, and so you guys wanna buy it instead of buying an aftermarket. In aftermarket, you have to wire it, run wires up the way I seen it, and it was just not what I wanted. So this one looks so much better, and I like it. All I gotta do is gotta set it up with my trailer like there, and we should be good. You guys see it there now. All right. So yeah, that was it, guys. All right. If you have any questions, just drop them down below this video. Really easy. Really easy. Just get a screwdriver, pop everything back in there. Now I have this one left over, so we'll keep it in case the other one, I don't know, breaks something. That's it. Thank you. All right, guys. So it's really neat. It's also that you can see the trailer. It has detected the trailer right there. It's in green. And I just left it on gain 5. And it seems like it works right there. And it's automatically, the type is electric manual against gain. It's not hydraulic on the brakes out there. Anyway, that's what I left it, and it seems to be good. And it works, guys. It works. So I was setting it up. I have my trailer hooked. And there's no weight on it, but maybe when I put I have mowers. When I put the mowers on it, I'll be able to feel it much better. Okay, so that was all. It's a little update. Not update, but I think that's all. All right. Later, man.